On Friday, a bakery produces 700 bagels per hour for the first 3 hours of operation and 300 bagels per hour for the remaining 5 hours of operation. If a bagel produced by the bakery on Friday is selected at random, what is the probability that bagel was produced during the first 4 hours of operation? Okay, we have to find the probability for selecting a bagel which was produced during the first 4 hours of operation. To answer this question, first we have to get the number of bagels produced by the bakery during the first 4 hours of operation, and also we have to get the total number of bagels produced by the bakery on Friday. Let's get the total number of bagels produced by the bakery on Friday. Okay, now let me consider the first 3 hours of operation. Okay, the first years, each hour 700 bagels were produced. Then how many bagels would have been produced by the bakery in 3 hours? We have to multiply the number of bagels produced per hour and number of hours. That is 700 times 3, which is equal to 2100. This is the number of bagels produced by the bakery during the first years of operation. Okay, now let's consider the remaining 5 hours. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. For the remaining 5 hours, 300 bagels were produced each hour. So now to get the number of bagels produced for the remaining 5 hours, we have to multiply the number of bagels produced per hour by the number of hours. That is 300 times 5. Let me multiply. Then I am getting 1500. Okay, now to get the total number of bagels produced by the bakery on Friday, we have to add this one and this one. Then I am getting 3600. That is, the bakery produced 3600 bagels on Friday. Now we have to get the number of bagels produced by the bakery during the first 4 hours of operation. Okay, now let me write the hours over here. That is the first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, sixth hour, seventh hour, 8th hour. Okay, according to the information, for the first hours, 700 bagels are produced per hour. That is, on the first hour, 700 bagels are produced. In the second hour, 700 bagels produced. And the third hour, 700 bagels are produced. Okay, here we have the remaining 5 hours. For each of the remaining 5 hours, 300 bagels were produced per hour. That is, in the fourth hour, 300 bagels were produced. Here we have the first 4 hours. Okay, now to get the number of bagels produced by the bakery during the first 4 hours of operation, we need to add these 4 values. When I add these 4 values, I am getting 2400. Okay, here I got the number of bagels produced by the bakery on Friday during the first 4 hours of operation, that is 2400. And also we got the total number of bagels produced by the bakery on Friday, that is 3600. Now to get the required probability, we have to divide the number of bagels produced by the bakery during the first 4 hours of operation on Friday, that is 2400, by the total number of bagels produced by the bakery on Friday, that is 3600. Okay, here, when I divide 2400 by 3600, I am getting 2/3, or it can be written as a decimal. When I write this one as a decimal, I am getting 0.666, it keeps going. When I round this one to the nearest hundredth, I am getting 0.67. So the answer for the given question is 2/3 as a fraction, or in decimal, it's about 0.67.